Hi there, I'm going to make a chocolate cacao nib pudding. This is great for after dessert. It includes cacao powder and cacao nibs, which are great. They have magnesium in it, which are really relaxing and calming to your muscles. And we have manuka honey, which is perfect for digestion, so it's a great after meal dessert. So we're going to start with putting everything into the blender. So 1 banana. We're going to have 1 avocado here. Now, the way that you know that avocados are done is when you open the pit here, it's green. So this looks perfect. Just going to slice this in half. So we're using the whole avocado here. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup almond milk. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our lovely manuka honey. Three tablespoons of cacao powder. And just a large pinch of fresh vanilla, just to round off the flavor. And we're going to turn this on and give it a go. There we go, it's lovely and creamy. So we're just going to serve this up. It's really nice and custardy. And we're just going to top it with a bit of cacao nibs to give it a nice chocolate chip crunch. And there we go, there's my cacao nib dessert pudding.